I'm Sophia, I'm 13 years old, and I go to school at Belle Chasse Academy.
My name is Juan, and I was in the military for 22 years. I retired a couple years back, and now I work here for Belle Chasse Academy.
When I started middle school, we get to choose our electives, and I saw that there was gardening on there, and I was like, wow. I chose that elective, and then I met Miss Corinne, and then we started working on the garden.
Sophia has been heavily involved in wanting to always be in the kitchen, and then as she got involved with the program here, it was more of, let's plant this so that we can see it grow, and then once it's grown, let's cook it to see what it's going to taste like.
I was able to share with my parents what we were doing in our garden at school, and we started our own garden.
Sophia did, in fact, make me more aware of healthy eating. Unfortunately, I was recently diagnosed with diabetes, and one of the things that she really is cautious of is how many greens are you eating in a day? And when you have a kid that's telling you, especially your own kid, telling you this is a better alternative for you, you have to take that to heart.
What excited me the most was being able to start planting out something and then seeing it grow over time, and then being able to eat that afterwards or serving it to others, and then being able to tell them the story of what they were eating. I think I would like to go into culinary arts, and this is something really important for me to learn going into that field.